The preparedness industry's financial interest is in selling you more. More items, more categories, more redundancy, more specialized tools for more specific scenarios, more food supply, more ammunition, more everything, because more purchases means more revenue. The result is a preparedness space saturated with complexity that serves the industry's interest and frequently undermines the individual's actual preparedness, because the person who is overwhelmed by the complexity either buys a curated retail kit that addresses commercial logic rather than actual failure modes, or buys nothing and remains entirely unprepared while intending to figure it out later. The 5-item survival system is the antidote to both of these outcomes. It is not a compromise between preparedness and simplicity. It is the recognition that the 6 core needs threatened by any serious disruption, water, food, health, power and communication, tools, and documentation, can be adequately addressed by 5 well-chosen items for the duration of most scenarios, and that the foundation those 5 items provide is the correct starting point for any additional preparation that follows. Clean water access is the first need that fails and the one that becomes life-threatening fastest. Stored water, 3 gallons per person minimum for a 3-day baseline, addresses the immediate disruption window. The gap in most stored water-only systems is what happens in days 4, 5, and beyond when stored supplies are exhausted. A portable water filtration system addresses that gap from a single compact, lightweight, no power required device. LifeStraw personal water filter, filtering up to 1,000 gallons, removing 99.999% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa, is the item that bridges the gap between what stored water covers and what extended disruption demands. In most geographies, a natural freshwater source is within walking distance even when all infrastructure has failed. The LifeStraw converts that natural source into safe drinking water without power, without chemicals, and without replacement cartridges in the field. The link is in the description. Non-perishable food for an extended disruption scenario needs to meet 3 criteria that most retail kit food does not: calorie density adequate to maintain physical and cognitive function, preparation simplicity that works without cooking infrastructure, and shelf life long enough to make a single purchase a durable investment rather than a product requiring annual rotation. ReadyWise emergency food supply, 120 servings, freeze-dried with up to 25-year shelf life, requires only hot water and covers one person for 40 days from a single purchase decision. The link is in the description. Health readiness in a compact system means the 262-piece survival kit that combines first aid, multifunction tools, shelter, and carry system in a single coordinated package, the comprehensive gear baseline that covers health, tools, and shelter needs without requiring separate purchases for each category. The first aid pouch handles medical. The tent and shelter components handle protection. The axe, shovel, and multi-tool handle the physical problem-solving that a disruption environment creates. The crossbody bag handles mobility. 1 item, 4 categories covered. The link is in the description. Power and communication means a radio that operates without internet, the information lifeline that functions exactly when all digital communication infrastructure has failed, and a reliable illumination source for the hours of darkness that a grid-down situation extends indefinitely. Documentation means physical copies of critical information in waterproof form, the analog backup that functions when no digital device does. 5 items. 6 categories. The system that stops the paralysis of complexity and provides the foundation that everything else builds on. Subscribe to In the Beginning. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.